All right, everyone. The long weekend is finally here. Where's everyone going?
I'm going skiing. Fresh snow, cozy cabins, and hot chocolate by the fire. Pure heaven.
That sounds amazing. I'm flying to Thailand. Beach, sunshine, and zero work emails.
I'm heading to Japan. Ramen, anime, and shopping. Best combo ever.
Dean, you've been quiet. What's your plan?
Oh, not really.
What do you mean, not really? It's a long weekend. No work, no stress.
Yeah. You should take this chance to travel. Or, are you planning to sleep the entire time?
I don't know. I'll just stay here, I guess.
Wait. You're not going home?
Yeah, don't you want to see your family?
Nah, I'd rather stay here.
Okay, now I'm curious. Who in their right mind wouldn't want a free home-cooked meal?
Exactly. No chores, no rent, and a fridge full of food. What's not to love?
It's just complicated.
All right. But if something's bothering you, you know you can talk to us, right?
Yeah. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it.
Dean, finally, you picked up. I was starting to think you were avoiding me.
What? No, I'm not avoiding you, Mom.
Good. Then tell me, when are you coming home for the holidays?
I'm not sure yet. Work's been really busy, you know?
Busy? Oh, please. Even presidents take a break, Dean. Are you seriously telling me your boss won't let you have a holiday?
Well, it's not just work. I just think maybe it's better if I stay here this time.
Better. You think it's better to spend the holidays alone than with your own mother?
I didn't mean it like that, Mom.
Dean, sweetie, I miss you. Your dad misses you. Even Grandma keeps asking when you're coming home. Are you really going to break your poor mother's heart like this?
Mom,
No excuses, young man. You're coming home, and that's final.
all right, all right. I'll come home.
That's my boy. Now, do you want me to pick you up at the station? Or are you finally old enough to take a taxi by yourself?
I think I can manage, Mom.
Mom, I'm already on my way home, okay? Can you stop reminding me every 5 minutes? Yes, I remember. Saturday, 7 p.m. And no, I'm not excited. I don't care if he's a doctor, a lawyer, or the king of a tiny island. I don't want to go. Wait, what? If I don't go, you'll call Grandma. And she'll fake a heart attack? Mom, that's emotional blackmail. Unbelievable.
A forced blind date, emotional blackmail, and a fake heart attack? Wow. And I thought my family was dramatic. Poor girl. She looks just as trapped as I feel. Sounds like you've had a rough day.
You heard all that, huh?
Hard not to, considering you nearly declared war on your mom in public.
Yeah, well, I guess I lost that battle.
Fake heart attack? That's next level strategy.
Right? I mean, how do you even counter that? Sorry, Grandma. You'll have to actually pass out before I change my mind. So, what about you? You heading home for the holidays too?
Yeah,
You don't sound too thrilled about it.
let's just say, I understand your pain.
Ah, another victim of the matchmaking agenda?
Unfortunately, yes.
Well, at least we're not alone. Oh, that's my stop.
Good luck with the matchmaking circus.
You too. Try not to run away screaming.
There you are. Do you know how many times I called you? Why was your phone off? What took you so long?
Mom, I just got home. Can I at least take off my shoes first?
Take off your shoes? You should be taking off your bachelor status first. You're not getting any younger, you know?
Mom,
Look at your cousin David. He just got married last month. And your childhood friend Lucas? His wife is already pregnant. Meanwhile, you. Still single.
I need to put my bag down. We can continue this lovely conversation later.
Oh no, young man, we're not done talking. You have a date tomorrow. And I expect you to.
Can I come in?
If it's another lecture about marriage, then no.
Your mom can be a little intense. But you know she means well.
I know. But does she have to make it sound like being single is a crime?
It's not a crime. But let's be honest. Have you even thought about settling down?
I don't know, Dad. I just feel like everyone's rushing me into something I'm not sure about.
That's fair. But tell me this. What exactly are you unsure about?
I guess I don't want to marry someone just because I have to. It should be because I want to.
That's a good reason. But son, finding the right person doesn't just happen. You have to meet people, get to know them. How will you ever know if you want to marry someone if you don't give yourself the chance?
So you're saying I should just go to this blind date?
I'm saying, keep an open mind. You never know what might happen.
Dean, listen to me. First impressions matter. Sit up straight, don't slouch. And for heaven's sake, don't just nod and say yeah to everything.
Yeah.
See? That's exactly what I mean. You're not even listening.
Mom, it's just breakfast. Can I at least enjoy my cereal in peace?
Your mom's right, though. You should at least try to be polite. Maybe even, dare I say it, charming?
Charming?
Yes. You have a good job. You're decent looking.
Wow, thanks for the overwhelming enthusiasm, Mom.
I'm just saying. This girl's parents probably expect her to meet a decent young man too. So no sulking, no sarcasm. And no acting like you're being forced into this.
But I am being forced into this.
Just don't let it show too much.
Dean.
All right. I'll be on my best behavior.
Good. And don't be late.
Geez, it's like I'm going on a royal meeting instead of a blind date.
Well, she's someone's precious daughter too, you know.
Yeah? What about me? Hi, you must be Cindy. I'm Dean. Nice to meet you.
Oh my gosh, you're actually kind of cute in person. I was worried you'd be, like, totally boring.
Thanks, I guess.
Okay, before we start, let's do a quick intro. I'll go first. So, I'm Cindy. I work in marketing. I love shopping, taking selfies, and watching reality TV. Oh, and I have a small dog named Princess. What about you?
Oh, nice. Well, I'm Dean. I work in tech, mainly software development. I like reading, cooking, and hiking, I guess.
You're one of those tech guys? No offense, but don't you all just sit in front of a computer all day?
Well, kind of, but I also.
Oh my god. I almost forgot. What's your zodiac sign?
Capricorn.
Oh no. That's, like, totally incompatible with me.
Oh, okay.
Just kidding. But, like, I totally believe in astrology. I make all my life decisions based on my horoscope. Yesterday, my horoscope said I should avoid.
Wow. This is painful. I need to get out of here. Fast. Wait, that's the girl from the train?
Hello? Earth to Dean? Are you even listening?
Oh. Yeah, of course. Sorry, what were you saying?
Whatever. Let's just take a selfie real quick.
You know, I've got this amazing place just a few blocks away. We could totally head there after this. I'll even mix you a special drink.
Whoa. That's a red flag.
Oh, that's really nice of you. But I should probably.
Oh, come on. Just for a little while. What? Don't you trust me?
Okay, nope. That's not okay. I don't know what's going on, but I can't just sit here and do nothing.
Hi, I'm Emma. And I'm here to help you improve your English conversation skills. If you want to practice more English dialogues, remember to subscribe to my channel.